Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, and it's been a while. So guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a trading bot and run this trading bot straight to your mobile phone without VPS. No need of paying monthly subscription for VPS. And this particular prompt, you can get it on my Telegram channel, which I'm going to be sharing on the description of this particular video. So do well to join my Telegram channel to get a prompt. And we're going to be making use of Claude AI to generate this particular EA. So you can see the trading bot. I'm going to be sharing everything on my screen, and so that you'll be able to understand what I'm doing. It's going to be simple and anyone can do it using his or her mobile phone. So let's get started. This particular video is going to be a quick one, and I'll make it so quick so understanding, so that you understand how this works. And you can still build this and resell, but mine is free. So I'll show you guys how to create this particular trading bot. This particular trading bot is not like your regular trading bot. This particular trading bot is like a real trading chart, which analyzes its own and give you when to buy or when to sell, and your TP and your SL. So if you follow the strategy well, you're not going to be having issues on this particular trading bot. So, and I urge you to use a demo account to test the strategy before using your real account, so that you don't lose all your capital trying to build the bot. So let's try what I've done. So here you can see I'm using Claude AI to build this particular trading system. So I actually have a prompt which I'm going to be sharing to you guys on my Telegram channel, so you don't have to start afresh getting the prompt. So I've done everything, and you can actually upgrade the prompt, maybe adding extra strategy on your own analysis. So what I did here is, you can see my screen here. I'm going to be sharing my screen. So what I did here, you can, if you see here, you see that this is an XAUUSD trader, and I'm running this on a Claude AI. You can actually debug it, maybe to run it on a real server, or maybe you purchase a hosting to run it, but that is an extra cost. But if you want it free, you just have to run it direct on your Claude AI. As you can see here, I'm on the free plan. Everything is free. So you can see here, this is a 1 minute time frame. Let me change it to 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so let me close this my code parts so that you'll be able to see. Okay, so this is a time frame for Gold Trader AI. So as you can see here, this is a real data from an API which Claude AI did everything. I only gave it a prompt, and here, if I scroll down here, you can actually see the entry point, take profit one. This is actually this take profit. I've actually taken the profit, which I'm going to be sharing to you guys how I was able to place the trade. Okay, I'm just showing you guys how it works before we get started. As you can see here, this is take profit 1, 2, and 3, and this is your stop loss and your risk reward. You can use 0.01 or 0.05 depending on your capital. Okay. So here you can see the trend is bearish. As you know that XAUUSD has been so bearish, and we are getting this signal. Okay, so how this signal works is, it is automated. Okay, it is automated in a way that if the trade changes, Claude AI is going to notify you and show you the new signal, and everything is working straight to your Chrome. You can use your phone. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything and how you can debug this on your phone, so that you can stop paying for VPS. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here is to make sure I have the same email which I use in building this trading bot on my phone. So what I'm going to do is to go to my Chrome. I'm going to go to my Chrome and search for, I'm going to be searching for Chrome here on my mobile phone. So here I'm going to be typing Claude AI, and note I'm going to be using a fresh email to show you guys how to build this particular trading bot. So you go to Claude AI. So the first one, you're going to be clicking on that, and to log in, you can just log in with your email. Okay, so click on that. So if you choose, you can still choose to download the app and install. Maybe that may be more easier for you to use. I've already copied my prompt, so what I'm going to do here is to just paste. So I'm going to be pasting my prompt here. One thing I love about AI coding is once you copy a prompt from someone, if you paste it, it will give you exactly the same result which he gave the other person. So you just paste my prompt and click on this arrow to get started. Okay, so you can see here it's actually building what I actually prompted. So you can just notify, click on notify and accept the notification bar, so that you'll be able to get notified once these prompts finish building. Okay, so let's wait for it to build. Okay, so again, why I love trading with trading bots is because it gives me that confidence that once I place a trade, I can sleep, I can do every other thing, because this is coming from an AI. Okay, so I can, if I take loss, I'll take it, and if I take profit, I'm going to be taking that. It gives you that confidence that once you place a trade, you can just leave it and do whatever you wish to do. Okay, but trading on your own, sometimes you're not that sure. You'll be chasing trade up and down, and you maybe revenge trading and rest, you keep losing your capital. And since I started trading with trading bots, I'm more profitable than when I do my own analysis. Okay, so that's the reason why I choose to trade with trading bots. Okay, so it's building, and you can see it's creating our file, our index file. If you're a developer, you can understand more of this, but even if you are not a developer, you can still read instruction on how to install the bot. Okay, so guys, as you can see that our Claude AI has finished building our trading bots. You can click on download here, maybe to download the JS code and run on your own server. But if you want to use Claude AI, just click on that and wait for it to load. As you can see, it's trying to start the bot. Okay, I told you guys, if you're a trader means you're going to be having patience and you're going to be having time to be able to focus and trade. So this particular trading bot can run on your mobile device without VPS, and it is free.